Hey guys, we are in Zadar and we are staying, we just got here, it's kind of late, but we are staying at the cutest Airbnb.
And they even let the other one, the other bad one.
Yeah, this one's a good one. And we're staying here and look, it's completely decorated. Look how nice that is. Even when you come to the top of the stairs, look, you have a Christmas tree because right now we're just about 2 weeks shy. They have tons of games and stuff and books for kids. So that's cool. And then you also have a private balcony right up here. Look how nice that is. It is. It's chilly, but, and then there's some chairs that you can bring out there indoor right now because it's been raining. And look, a little kitchen set. You have their rack to dry your clothes, and it is just absolutely so cute here. And then if you go in,
and then carrot on.
yeah, there's the tree, and they got a 9.7. Yes. And as we go in, all right, open the door. Say welcome.
Welcome.
All right. Hold on, we're almost there. So as you come in, you have a mirror, hey, and then you have the bathroom, which looks super duper clean and nice. Yeah, there's the toilet, and you have a washer, which is always really, really nice. Beautiful sink. This Airbnb is like, seriously, probably one of the cleaner ones that I've seen so far. You even have, when you get in, a little place to keep your shoes.
Like this.
Yep, just like that. So nice, right? And then as you go in, yeah, so you have a couch. Ryder's got his tablet already out. He's got here, and like you have a little side area with a little buffet, and it even has a Christmas tree too.
Yeah.
So cute. And then you have yellow pillows, yellow chairs. You have a big TV. Again, one of the bigger TVs that I've seen in Croatia.
And some food for us.
And then, listen, these hosts are so sweet. First off, we booked last minute because our other one fell through. Second, when I said last minute, I mean like 2 hours ago. And look what they leave us. Look, you have fresh oranges. And look, they baked some cookies today.
Good.
Look how cute.
I like cookies.
And look, there's
Really
candy.
good. I like cookies.
You like cookies? Yes,
Yeah.
cookies are yummy.
Yeah,
So look how cute. And then if you want to go into the kitchen,
and candy.
look, you have your fridge.
And then they left you that.
And they left like some water for you and also like a Swiss roll cake. You see that? Whoa.
That looks really good.
So nice. And then we keep going. We have some of our stuff. You have an oven. You don't always have an oven. And an American coffee maker, which I wish I would have knew before we went to the store. You never see that. That's very rarely. And then look, you have a sink.
Hello, I'm Peter. I'm back from getting the stuff.
Same
Hello.
Oh, hey, there you are. Come in.
Charlie, tell them you're already here. Tell
And-
them about the color scheme. Oh yeah. So for the house, I really like this. How they have a pop of yellow, white, yellow, yeah. Even look in that painting. Even. Everything just has a little color scheme, which I find really nice. Yeah.
It's so lovely. Lovely, lovely.
Whose room is this?
And then here's the girls' room.
Ryder, get off it. No. We want to keep it like really clean and pretty.
So look.
I love how they make a bed here. Like every place does it.
Every place does it. You have what? Ryder, go in the other room and go jump on the other bed. Okay, let's leave this room. So each room has their own like separate blanket per person. And Charlie's gonna model.
Look at this little shoe thing. Yeah. It comes out like so. And you actually walk in. cool. I like it.
Dun, da, da.
The bathroom is really nice.
That is really nice. We've done the bathroom while they were gone. And then we also have, here's the master bedroom. And if you need it, they also have a crib.
Hey, balcony. Put your baby in there.
Put
The
your,
balcony.
put
Here.
your
I don't
baby.
know if you've seen it yet.
You can't really see the balcony, I don't think. Maybe.
I don't know. No, I don't know if you guys have seen it.
We haven't.
I
Oh.
have. Yeah.
I'm going to break the balcony, so I won't do it. But there's a little balcony off the master bedroom, which is super cool. I can imagine during the summer. Oh, sorry. I can imagine during the summer when it's warmer, wanting to sit on all the balconies and have coffee in the morning.
And the lady who owns this place is extremely nice.
Yeah.
Really nice. She even picked us clothes. I like that.
So sweet. So, as you can see, it is lovely here. It's very well decorated and designed. Everything looks nice and comfortable and super duper clean and really, really modern. So, I think,
like modern.
yeah, this is definitely one of the better Airbnbs for the quality that we're seeing so far. Yeah, the lights are beautiful too. All right, one last look at the lights.
Hopefully they don't take a toll
And
on the electric bill.
yeah.
Do we pay the electric
No,
bill?
we don't have to
Wow,
pay an
we don't
electric
have to
bill
pay
here.
that electric
We did that in
bill.
Mexico.
They are crazy.
So, anyway, thanks for joining us for our room tour. If you come to Zadar Croatia, this is, I think, the place. This place is awesome. All right, link in the description. If you guys haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Ring that bell.
Bing that bell.
And smash the like button until you break your tongue with anything.
Whoa, intense. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. We will talk to you guys soon. See you on some more Croatian adventures. Bye, y'all.